What's up, everybody? It's your boy Redtape, dropping my first episode. Currently watching the NASDAQ. Currently sitting in a trade. Got in at the 25,070 level. Right there where my cursor is at is where I got in at. Trading on Top Step. We doing slow markets tonight. So the market gonna be moving slower. Entered this trade because you can see my system gave me a make money symbol up here, and we have all our confluences. So I'm just sitting in the trade, letting it ride. Currently up $125. They ain't gonna move a whole lot just yet since the market just opened up. Just let it ride out. See what we could do. I already took $300 off of this trade, letting my last contract ride. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you get updates when I'm going live. We're gonna be going live Monday through Friday, most of the time in the mornings, around 8:30 to 9 Central Time. Trying to help other people make money as well. See, we got our make monies right here. Our logic box says make money, so we're just sitting in this trade, letting it ride out. Currently up 130 bucks. Market had a big drop today on the 9 a.m. 4-hour candle. We hit all-time highs in the NASDAQ again and then rejected from it. So as you can see, that was right here. Market made new all-time highs. We hit it, rejected back down, tried to go back up again at 9 a.m. Rejected back down on the 4-hour and took this big drop. I caught 2,500 bucks off of this big drop, but I was not at my computer, so I took profits a little early and went about my day, locked in my gains. $2,500 on the day ain't bad at all. So we just chilling. If you're interested in learning how to trade, go follow my Discord at Redtape Trading. It is free. So go sign up, join, hit me up on there, introduce yourself. Let's get you started in the right direction of financial freedom. It's definitely worth the journey. Whether you're looking to make side income or main income, trading is definitely where it's at. Market just pushing up little by little right here. Nothing too major. This is the 2 hour time frame I'm trading on. I trade on the higher time frames to ride the trend out. As you can see, we got a little breakup on the 1 p.m. candle. We got to push to the upside after our big drop today. Found some support. Now we pushing up. Everything you see is a part of my system I built out. Nothing too crazy, just system that gives you confluence, shows you which way you should be trying to trade the market. Join my Discord, get my trading book for free. Gives you insight into trading volatility in the market. Also goes hand in hand with my trading system. If you're interested in my trading system, I charge a small monthly fee to get you on track to making money day trading or long-term investing. Whichever one you're interested in. Does all the hard work for you. All you gotta do is place the trades, follow it up in profit, and get out when it's time to get out. Nothing complicated. System does everything for you but trade for you. Follow me on all social media at Redtape as well. Hit me up, say hello, respond back to you. I mostly trade the NASDAQ and gold. Usually trade gold at slow markets during nighttime. Haven't gotten an alert on gold yet, so I decided to take a trade on the NASDAQ. Currently sitting up $165. Going nowhere fast. This is gold. You see we haven't gotten an alert on gold yet tonight. It's hitting that resistance up there right now. So it might go back down. Keep an eye on the NASDAQ though, since that's what we took a trade on. Got our alert here that this trade was good. Supported a 4 hour the daily open. Sitting at $215 right now. Got a confirmation on the 2 hour time frame with the 4 hour time frame to the upside. Currently up 230 bucks on one NASDAQ contract. Got in at the 25,070 mark. Currently at 25,081. So that's about 11 points in profit. Just letting it ride out. I like to trade the higher time frames so you get more consistent trend. People trade the lower time frames, usually scalping, getting in a trade, getting a few points and getting out. I like to ride the trend as long as possible, collect as much profit as possible, as many points as possible, before I decide to get out. When you trade, you gotta protect your capital. You won't be sitting in trades overstaying your welcome. But you also don't want to be cutting them short. You putting your risk at capital, then taking trades. Only taking a couple points, get 10, 15 points in the trade, run 100 points. You only collected 10. Put your capital at risk for no reason. Money is money though, don't get me wrong. But you want to maximize your profits as much as you can when you put your capital at risk. So that means entering trades when it's an actual good trade there, the setup is there, exiting once the momentum shifts, the trend shifts. One thing about trading on prop firms, you can't hold your trades overnight. Otherwise, I would have been in this trade for market since market was open earlier. You can see right here, we got a little shelf right here. Came down off of it right here. Bought up, rejected back through it, bought back up off of it. So now do we start rejecting down from here, come back up to it, reject down to go lower. Or we can see if we come back up and test this level here. sitting around, what's that, 20,100. About 20 points to the upside. It's a possibility. If you watched the video, please go subscribe to my channel so you could get when I'm going live. Stay up to date with everything that's posted on the channel. Join me on my Discord, Redtape Trading. I'm always live on there. Hit me up. I'll get back to you. Got a little momentum to the downside. See here, we starting to push down. Now I'm up 85, $100. When the market opened at 5 p.m., we did push down a little bit, so we could see some more rejection of price action here since we was at all-time highs on the NASDAQ. Got the time and sales showing some selling going on, some buying going on. Nothing too drastic right now. Still fairly new into the market. Been open for an hour now, so could see some buying and selling start to roll in. Slow markets might actually be slow tonight after the big move we got in New York. If you would like me to talk about anything specific, drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you think about the live stream. Definitely open to hear opinions, how we can make things better. Okay, we getting some momentum back down on the NASDAQ. See, we're starting to form this wick right here on top of this candle. Resistance at that 25,080 price. I already collected $303 on this trade. Just like my last contract ride. So if I close around break even, I'm not tripping. $300 in about an hour, give or take. It's not bad. Somebody's day worth of work. Maybe two. Making my way into the YouTube scene with trading. Get my page up and going. See, we got one viewer. What's up? What's up? Let me know if you trading in the chat, what you trade. Okay, profit done came down a little bit since we came off of this top of this candle here. Seen a little bit of rejection. As long as we holding this daily open, current 4 hour, we'll sit in the trade. See if we could get some more upside to it. If not, we'll hop out, let the market decide what it want to do, and get back in. Waiting to see if gold is gonna give us an alert. Gold broke through its resistance up here and pushed back down. Okay, NASDAQ is starting to push back down. Seeing some resistance. We up 15 bucks right now. May see some more downside pressure tonight. Okay, down 25 bucks in the red. See if we get some momentum back to the upside, or are we gonna continue to the downside off this move from earlier today? See if we could get some buyers to come in overnight and push us back up to find the resistance area. While we waiting for some momentum come in, just explain my system. Everything you see was made by me. May make trading as simple as possible for myself and others who are looking for a strategy and trading education, so you can understand it as simple as possible without all the crazy terms people come up with or all of the hard indicators that people come up with to use. We're seeing some more momentum to the downside off the NASDAQ. This last contract that I'm sitting in is down $100. Might be ready to close this trade out. Okay, there's some buyers coming back in, trying to push us back up. Let's see if we're gonna hold this 4 hour to daily open. Got the buyers struggling to push it back up at the moment. This may be my departure in this trade if we don't hold. These sellers are coming in hard now. Okay, we just went back into daily territory. Just letting us know that the sellers are taking over. Trying to get a change in momentum. So I'm basically break even on this trade right now. Definitely resistance in this area. Maybe looking to go down to 25,000. This buy trend is trying to hold, but as you can see, it's a lot of weakness right here. We also got this rejection. That might be our high right there, our new high. We sell back down from there. Got little bit of support right here from earlier, but you can see all that is deadly, so it may not hold. Get a push back up over the daily opening. We could go back up, but right now this is resistance in this wick. It's a lot of resistance. See, we got somebody watching. Say what's up in the chat. Appreciate you coming to watch me. Getting some buyers here at the 57s, but got some sellers in the 57s and 56s. Some more sellers in the 55 and 54 area. See, we got a sell now on the NASDAQ. We done flipped the trend. Trend is trying to go down. So now we gonna see if the buyers can hold it here or the sellers gonna keep coming in. Look like the sellers want to take it lower. We're gonna hold fast and see if they gonna come in harder. If they come in harder, then we're gonna continue this trend down. Get a nice sell-off tonight in the Asian market. See, we got support here, support here, support here. We come back down from here and go back to it. We can break through and go back down to the monthly open. Only a couple days into October, so the monthly target definitely still in range. See if we hold support at this 25,050 area. Definitely pushing down. Get some more sellers coming in. Sellers looking like they gonna continue to come in, pushing lower. At 25,046. See if we could push back up to this 25,050 area. If that don't hold, then we're gonna go lower. The market is exhausted from making them all-time highs back to back to back. People want to get it at a cheaper price if they're gonna continue buying it up. Yeah, the sellers are coming in heavy. Come on, push back up for me. Yep, them sellers are coming in more aggressive. I'm gonna get ready to close this trade out since we keep getting more selling coming in. We break this level here. This is the last contract I was sitting in from my trade. It's one thing about trading Asia opening, that you don't get a lot of volume around this time, and we get caught up in a standstill. So we ain't tripping on a small loss on the trade. Took our shot. It was a good trade. Got the sellers to come back in. Yep, them sellers coming in, pushing us down. We're gonna get out of this trade and take our small loss. Not seeing the buyer stepping back in. Nothing wrong with taking a loss when you trade, especially when you know you can make it back very easily. Keep your losses small and your winners big. It all work out. Just gotta make sure you discipline taking trades. Don't be just slinging trades everywhere. Make them count. Take them in good setups. Okay, getting a little push up here. Got a little wick on the bottom of this candle starting to form. The 25,040 area starting to get a little support back to the upside. Say we got another viewer on. Say what's up in the chat. Where you trading from? What you trading? Currently trading NASDAQ. Want to buy to the upside. Got a little selling pressure. We was sitting in this last contract to the upside from the daily open, 4-hour open to the upside. It retraced back down on us. We got some sellers came in. Got them sellers coming back in again. It's looking like they gonna hold this downside pressure. See if they gonna push us back to the upside. We will be going live Monday through Friday. Most days in the morning, around 8:30 to 9 a.m. Central Time. May do slow markets at night some days. Subscribe to the channel so you can get the notifications when I go live. You can also look up Redtape University. That's what it'll be titled under every day. Make it easy to find. Okay, we got some more sellers coming in. So this long is looking fairly weak. Just sitting still at the moment. No real momentum in the market. Momentum probably won't kick in till about 7, maybe 9 o'clock. This is trading for you. Trading isn't always exciting. It could be hella boring sometimes. Keep your eye on the charts and find you something else to do while your trade plays out for you. So you ain't just sitting there staring at your P&L. That's the reason a lot of people get out their trades too early. You're just sitting there watching it. Seller stepping back in, they don't want to let it go up. Guess after this sell off earlier during New York, ain't nobody say they buying. How low can she go? Got about 30 minutes until the next 2-hour candle. Little push back up, nothing major. My whole goal in trading is trying to have a steady trading strategy instead of watching these lower time frames with all of the noise that comes in. I think this gonna be my departure from this trade. We cracking this level here. It's 25,040. And this might be my departure. When the trade is going against you, you don't want to sit there and just let it continuously go against you. Then you blow your account when you could have got out, took a small L, and then waited for the next trade set up. As you can see, we already got a sell signal that came in. I was just waiting to see if it was gonna buy back up since we sold off during New York, but it's not looking like it, which is okay. Right now, sitting in one contract, I'm only down about 200 bucks, so I ain't tripping off that. That small momentum that came in to the upside off of the 5 p.m. open just gave us a slight push up, and then seller stepped in and said, nope, we going back down. So you had these buyers here that at the end of the day, around 1 p.m. stepped in for the new 4 hour, pushed us up just a little bit, then that Asia open, right back down. Just kind of expected. Yeah, seller still stepping in.
Order filled.
That's why I take my exit. Took a small $300 loss on that. I ain't tripping. So coming up on an hour worth of trading, being live. This was my first official live trading. Did about an hour. Once I live stream in the mornings, like I said, around 8:30 to 9 a.m. Central Time, I'll be staying on longer, going over more trades, giving out knowledge and game. Join my Redtape trading Discord. It is free. Join the other traders in there. Come say what's up. Pop in. Like I said, it is free. Not charging. The system you see is my system that I built. Helps guide you through trades. There's a small fee for that monthly, but it's definitely well worth it. Gives you all the parameters of trades, stop loss to keep you in the trade, tells you when to get in and out the trades, does everything for you basically but place a trade. So I'm gonna be logging off here. Got a few things to go do. Like I said, hit like and subscribe so you know when I go live on the channel. Likes, I appreciate it. Subscriptions. Holla at y'all later. I'm out.